If you've got a romantic date for Valentine's or you're going out with your mates, here's how to get gorgeous and date night ready super quick. So I'm with our beauty club expert, Charlotte, and she's here to give us some tips. So Charlotte, we've had a long day at work, you're tired, your face needs a little pick-me-up. What's a really good way to zhuzh up your makeup?
I'm all about a multitasking stick. It means you only need to take a small clutch around with you, and you don't have to carry loads of brushes as well.
Your home is in your handbag. We don't want that. How can we make it more simple?
Well, if you're just touching up before a night out, you don't really want to redo your whole foundation.
And you don't have the time.
Don't have time, you want something quick and easy.
Yeah.
So I always think just touching up with concealer. This weightless one from Urban Decay, it's really brilliant. Because you can just put it on only where you need it if you've got any redness, any blemishes, and it's great for under the eye as well.
I always look so tired underneath the eyes, but I really like to just use my finger and just dab it on.
So my next tip would be a blusher. It's a really nice way to just add a bit of glow. This one from Clinique, the Chubby Stick, is actually really easy to use.
Okay.
It's got a balm-like texture, so you can just blend it into your cheeks. Date night eyes, I love the Shadow Stick. You can apply it straight from the bullet, so you don't need any brushes, and you just blend it in with your finger. I usually apply it over the lid, right up to the socket.
That sounds really simple.
Yeah, and this one's really gorgeous. It actually has a bit of shimmer in, so it's really pretty for the evening.
So what about lips? Must be every girl's dilemma. They're going out on a date, they want something that looks really nice, but they don't want it to move.
What I'd recommend is a stain.
Okay.
This one's really great because it's buildable. You can layer on one shade and then build up if you want extra colour, and it won't end up on your teeth, down your chin. My finishing touch would have to be a scented hair mist.
Oh, that sounds good.
After a long day at work, you don't want to be
smelling like a rank office.
Yeah, exactly. So this is an instant confidence boost.
Nice.
All you have to do is spritz it up, walk through, and your hair literally absorbs the fragrance, so you smell amazing all night.
Gorgeous, let me smell.
That one's from Dior, that's really gorgeous.
I would literally just spray it everywhere. Go to Debenhams.com for more insider tips and tricks.